Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we want to look at how you can make amaranthus seeds at home. So are you wondering that maybe for the first and second and third generation, if you want to produce amaranthus, you're going to experience high cost of production? So stop wondering, and I'm going to show you how you do it. So let's say that you have bought seeds from agrovet or outlet where the seeds are being sold, and then you have grown them, and then now you have started selling the vegetables part, and the vegetable part that we eat in the amaranthus are the leaves. So after selling, and then you get an income. You see, this is now the important part of amaranthus, because you are able to utilize the leaves, sell them, and get it as a source of income. Also, you can consume at your household level. So you leave them until they outgrow, like this one in the picture, whereby they are mature enough, they start to produce seeds. So you leave them until they start they reach maturity stage where they will start drying off, and then you harvest them. Then you go uh, and uh, and maybe dry. So you can either use the natural sun or the dryer for those who have dryers. So it's very easy to do it, because sometimes you buy amaranthus from the best variety, and then apart from, you don't want to incur cost for the first, second, and third generation, because we don't want to like continuously use the same class of seeds, because the production will decrease, because as we move to the second class, third class, and etc., the production also decreases, because of now it's like you have depleted the genes of that seedling. So before that time reaches, so if maybe that variety was good, and if you cannot afford, not even affording, because remember that we are farming to get a source of income, so we are always plan. But now we want to cut that cost and increase our income. We can do this, sell the leaves, and then leave the plants to mature enough to grow tall, because amaranthus, the more they grow, they can grow to some height. And then now it is going to dry off, and then you start picking them the same way you would do to sorghum, rice, wheat, and any other. And then you go and dry them. I've said that you can do it under the sun, the natural sun, or you can do it under the dryer. So that's easy. It's easy, no much labor, no much expenses. They not even known much. There's no expenses, and because if you are using a solar dryer, green energy, and then also it's sun, you don't pay for the sun unless you are doing the electricity. You're operating your solar dryer through the electricity. But now sorry, we cannot operate solar dryer using electricity. That's why we call it solar, because you are using the solar, mostly the sun energy. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it is going to help you. And it's not about producing seeds so that we can regrow again, but also you can start business of producing seeds for amaranthus, and then you sell. You see, you can make a source of income by adding value addition. That's addition of value to that crop, because you've started producing seeds, then you package them, and then you sell them. But remember that there are procedures that you need to follow before you do that. So thank you so much. I hope this video is going to change your mindset, and it is going to help you.